which they wanted.
Green's got it. Drives. Leans into Sweeter. Got it and one.
She is beloved by this team. We appreciate that, Evan. Time and dedication.
Shoulder past them and then use that leverage and that strength. I just think there's a lot of pressure on AJ Green.
To Northern Iowa. Loyola going back to the first half. The Panthers trying to put an end to it. And guess who?
3 threes in the game in Chicago. Valpo, he knocked in 5 triples for those 2 overtimes.
Been away from the basketball.
Green spots up.
Tell you, when your offensive guys play defense, trying to pick it up.
Green, fade, yes.
Three-pointing shooting team is a squad 39%. Bring Missouri State back within 13.